Welcome. So, you want to understand cryptocurrency? Well, buckle up because we're diving headfirst into the world of digital dough, where fortunes are made and lost with the click of a mouse. It's like the Wild West, but instead of tumbleweeds and saloons, we've got volatile markets and online forums full of people arguing about whether a cartoon ape is a sound investment. So what exactly is cryptocurrency? At its core, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies like the US dollar or euro, cryptocurrencies operate on technology called blockchain. A blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This decentralized nature means no single entity, like a bank or government, controls the currency. Instead, transactions are verified by network participants, making it more secure and transparent. Now let's talk about some of the most well-known cryptocurrencies. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, created in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency enabling peer-to-peer transactions. This innovation sparked the development of thousands of other cryptocurrencies. Anonymous creator? Sounds sketchy, right? It's like the founding fathers of finance wearing Guy Fawkes masks. But Bitcoin's anonymity is part of its appeal. No central authority means no government or bank interference. It's like living off the grid, hoping your digital coins increase in value. Bitcoin was the first shot in the cryptocurrency revolution. It showed the world that a decentralized digital currency was possible. One of the most notable cryptocurrencies after Bitcoin is Ethereum, created by Vitalik Buterin in 2015. Ethereum introduced the concept of smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts where the terms are directly written into code. These contracts run on the Ethereum blockchain and enable developers to build decentralized applications, dApps. This has led to the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms, which offer financial services without intermediaries. Now, while Bitcoin is like digital gold, Ethereum is more like digital oil. It's the fuel powering a whole ecosystem of decentralized applications, or dApps. Think of it like this. Bitcoin lets you send money to anyone in the world instantly. Ethereum lets you build a whole damn bank that can do that, and so much more. Smart contracts are the backbone of this revolution. They're basically self-executing agreements written in code. Imagine a vending machine, but instead of spitting out a Snickers bar, it's transferring ownership of your car, executing a will, or even running a whole company. This is where things get really interesting. And by interesting, I mean potentially world-changing. Ethereum is enabling a whole new wave of innovation in finance, gaming, art, and even how we govern ourselves. It's like the internet, but instead of just sharing cat videos, we're rebuilding the entire financial system from the ground up. Next, we have Ripple, also known as XRP, which is designed for the financial industry. Ripple aims to facilitate fast, low-cost international money transfers. It has partnered with numerous financial institutions to improve their cross-border payment systems. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, Ripple is not fully decentralized, which has led to some debate within the crypto community. Ripple, the black sheep of the cryptocurrency family. Or maybe it's the golden goose. Look, Ripple is trying to play both sides of the field. On one hand, it wants to revolutionize the way banks move money around the world. On the other hand, it's also buddy-buddy with those very same banks that the crypto movement was supposed to disrupt. It's like finding out Che Guevara's beret was actually made by a subsidiary of Nestle. Ripple's technology is undeniably impressive. It can process transactions much faster and cheaper than traditional systems. But its centralized nature has ruffled some feathers in the crypto community. Some argue that it goes against the very principles of decentralization that cryptocurrency was founded on. It's a debate that's likely to rage on for years to come, but one thing's for sure. Ripple has certainly made a splash in the world of finance. Chapter 5, Cardano, the brainy crypto with a plan. Host Cardano, a blockchain platform for changemakers, innovators, and visionaries. Host Cardano aims to create a balanced and sustainable ecosystem using a research-driven approach and peer-reviewed papers. Host developed with scientific rigor, Cardano focuses on building a sustainable financial system. Host, its layered architecture, separates transactions from smart contracts, enhancing flexibility and scalability. Host Cardano is designed for the future of decentralized finance, emphasizing security and sustainability. Chapter 6, Polkadot, connecting the dots and the blockchains. Host. And lastly, we have Polkadot, created by one of Ethereum's co-founders, Gavin Wood. Host. Polkadot is designed to enable different blockchains to interoperate and share information securely. This interoperability is seen as a key step towards achieving a more connected and functional blockchain ecosystem. Polkadot's innovative approach has garnered significant attention and investment. Host. Finally, we arrive at Polkadot, the ambitious project that aims to be the ultimate blockchain bridge builder. Created by Gavin Wood, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, Polkadot envisions a world where different blockchains can seamlessly communicate and collaborate with each other. Host, imagine a future where your favorite dApp on Ethereum can easily interact with a supply chain management system on another blockchain, all without any intermediaries. That's the promise of Polkadot. It's like the United Nations of blockchains, fostering cooperation and interoperability between different crypto ecosystems. Host, with its unique sharding technology and parachain architecture, Polkadot can process transactions in parallel, making it incredibly efficient and scalable. This makes it an ideal platform for building complex, decentralized applications that require high throughput and low latency. Host, Polkadot, is still in its early stages, but its vision of a more interconnected and collaborative blockchain future has already captured the attention of developers and investors alike. It's one to watch in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Chapter 7, the future of finance, maybe. Host. These are just a few examples of the diverse and rapidly growing cryptocurrency landscape. Each of these cryptocurrencies brings something unique to the table, contributing to the overall evolution of digital finance. Host. So there you have it, a crash course in the wild world of cryptocurrency. We've covered the pioneers like Bitcoin, the innovators like Ethereum, and the bridge builders like Polkadot, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. The cryptocurrency landscape is constantly evolving, with new projects and ideas emerging all the time. Host, it's a space full of passionate believers, skeptical cynics, and everyone in between. But one thing's for sure, cryptocurrency is forcing us to rethink the way we think about money, finance, and even the internet itself. Host, is it the future of finance? Honestly, who knows? Predicting the future of cryptocurrency is like trying to herd cats. It's chaotic, unpredictable, and you're probably going to get scratched. Host, but whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or some other cryptocurrency we haven't even heard of yet, one thing is clear. The world of finance is changing, and it's changing fast. Outro, so are you ready to join the crypto craze? Host, as you can see, the world of cryptocurrency is vast and varied, with each project offering different solutions and benefits. Whether you're interested in Bitcoin's role as digital gold, Ethereum's smart contract capabilities, or the innovative approaches of newer coins like Cardano and Polkadot, there's something for everyone in the crypto space. Host, but before you rush out and invest your life savings in Dogecoin because Elon Musk tweeted about it, remember, do your research. The cryptocurrency market is still incredibly volatile and risky. It's not for the faint of heart, or those who can't stomach the thought of their investment disappearing faster than a politician's promise. Host, but if you're willing to learn, do your due diligence, and approach it with a healthy dose of skepticism, then who knows? Maybe, just maybe, you'll strike digital